Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll teach you how to add a color of the sale price done theme on Shopify. Let's get started. So what we can do is we can actually just head over and then click on this right here, which is our actual editing software for our Shopify. So what you can do is you can click on these three dots right here, or you can also click on this customize right here. So once you have clicked on your customize, it will open the Shopify editor. Now what we can do is to make sure to head over to the default product pages. So head over and click on this default product, and then it will show you the product page that you have. So for example, for me, I have this sale button right here. I have this sale price, but there's no customizable settings applicable. So if I want to edit that out, I can click on these three dots right here. I can actually just edit out the whole theme right here for actual sales price. So from in here, just scroll down until you can see this custom CSS. And in here, you can add in here custom code in order to change the sale button right here of the price. So I have here a code. So you can see in here the dot price dash item dash dash regular open. So let's copy this first line and then let's add this as a first code. Now let's click on enter on our keyboard and it will open this right here. So let's head over and then click on this. So let's put the color of red, which is the second line, and then paste it right here. And then as you can see, it already changed. So for example, we make it green. It will also make this one green. So as you can see, it's been green. So just choose which color you want to use for this one. Then after that, just enter in here a close sign button. Once you have done that, head over and click on the save button in order to save the changes. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.